lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So in today's video I am bringing you a B&M haul. Before we get into the video, I just want to say that I hope you guys are all well and all keeping safe, and if you ever need anyone to talk to, then I am here, because obviously we're going through a really hard time at the minute, but honestly if anyone needs to talk to me, then I am always here. So I'm going to get straight into this video today. Don't forget, please give me a like. Please come and subscribe to my channel. I would love you to come and join the little family here by hitting that little red button down below and hitting the bell as well. And let's get straight into this video. So if you've been following me for a little while on my channel, you will know that every single haul that I do, I normally say that none of this stuff is actually organised, but today I'm being organised. I am changing my habits here. So basically I've got cleaning stuff in a little pile here, and then I've got all organisation stuff here. So I'm doing well, and I even have my receipt so I can tell you exactly how much everything costs. So I'm doing really good today. I'm proud of myself. So I'm going to start off with all the cleaning stuff first and then get onto all the organisation stuff, because this organisation stuff is needed. I'm telling you now. It is needed in my house. So the first thing I have picked up is my Fabulosa. I absolutely love Fabulosa. It's one of my favourites now. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love my Sephora, but Fabulosa is becoming one of my favourite products ever, just because recently they brought up so many new ones. They've got sprays, they've got foams, they've got all-in-one sprays. You name it, Fabulosa are doing it at the minute. They're killing it with the products. This one I picked up in Intense. Obviously it kills cold and flu viruses, which is so good for right now. It's for hard and soft surfaces, so you can spray it down your toilet, spray it in your dustbin, you can spray it on your furniture. This smells so nice. I'm useless at describing scents, but all I can say is this smells so fresh and so nice. It literally smells like fresh flowers. I think that's the only way I can actually describe it. But yeah, I absolutely love this. So it just looks like this. And it's a 400ml tin, so it's quite a big tin. And at the minute, they are doing this for $1.49, which is so inexpensive for a big old tin like this. It's going to last me a while. So again, I picked up some more Fabulosa. This is the foam freshener. This is basically what you spray on your carpets after you've hoovered, and there's no need to hoover this up at all. It just leaves your carpet smelling so fresh. But it says here, no need to vacuum, eliminates odours and long-lasting freshness, and it really does. I picked it up in the Winter Garden scent. I'm not sure what this smells like yet. I haven't used it, but trust me, now I've done this video, I'm going to be using it. This was only $1.49, and it is a, how big are you? It's a 300ml can. So yeah, another Fabulosa. So I was really loving Fabulosa when I went into B&M. I picked up this new one, which is called Dazzling Bathroom. And it's basically another disinfectant spray. Really just want to give my bathroom a real good clean. And I saw this and I thought, well, I've got to get that. This removes lime scale. It kills 99.9% bacteria. And effective for bathroom cleaning. So for things like tiles and stuff like that, it's meant to make them really shiny. This is in the scent Noir. And honestly, this smells like perfume. It smells amazing. How much were you? How much was you? That's what I love about Fabulosa. It's so inexpensive. This was literally £1. And it's a big old bottle, and it's a spray bottle as well. So you can actually reuse these bottles again. So in my last video I did, I picked up some labels. And when I finish using this, because it's white underneath, I'm just going to peel this off and stick a little label on there and reuse the bottles. So next up, you'll be pleased to know this isn't Fabulosa. So I picked up some Imperial Leather Bathroom Soak. This is meant to be a new fragrance. I've not actually seen this fragrance out before, but I love Imperial Leather. I love all the bath soaks that they do. It's meant to be a new one. I've not seen this before. It's Moonlit Skies and White Cashmere, and it's meant to be a calming one, which is going to be so nice. Just have a nice soak in the bath, put some candles on, have this in there as well. How nice does that sound? So yeah, pick this one up. Just looks like this. It's a 500ml. So this was a little bit more expensive. It was £3, but I'm pretty sure this is going to last me a long time. So when I was in B&M, I was actually looking for the Dishmatic refill pads, but I couldn't find them anywhere, so I just picked up a new one. And this one's pink, so how cool is that? I think this is probably for Valentine's section because this says it's limited edition and it's covered in little pink hearts everywhere. So I'm pretty sure this one is a Valentine's edition. I love these, I always use these. Normally get the refill pads, but like I said, I couldn't get hold of the refill pads. And refill pads for 3 of those is £1, and for one of these it's £1, and you get one on it anyway. So I am going to have to go back at some point and get the refills because I've actually got about 3 of these little holders now. So this is my last few cleaning bits, and then we're on to the organisation bits. So I picked up some Sephora. I was actually looking for the Midnight Bloom one, but I couldn't find it anywhere. And also I realised in one of my cleaning videos I've actually said that it reminds me of Black Opium, but I got it wrong. It reminds me of Alien. That is the perfume that it reminded me of. But anyway, I couldn't find that, so I picked up this one, which is Twilight Gardens, and this is another one of my favourites. I've not seen it on the shelf for ages, and it is one of my favourite scents. I absolutely love Twilight Gardens. If you don't know what Sephora is, it's a concentrated disinfectant. It just kills bacteria, it eliminates odours, and just leaves everything smelling really, really fresh. I dilute this with some water and spray it on my work surfaces, or I spray it on my sofas and my bedding and all stuff like that. It just makes the house smell amazing, so fresh all day long. So this is one of the bigger Sephora's. It's the 250 millilitres and it was $1.99. So the last thing I picked up for the cleaning was these Lenore tumble dryer sheets. I normally get the Spring Awakening one, but they're doing this one now, which is Sparkling Bloom and Yellow Poppy. I'm pretty sure I've had this before in the Lenore softener, and I just thought this would be really nice. I'm using the tumble dryer so much recently to dry bedding and stuff like that recently, so I just thought I'd pick up some more of these. You get 34 sheets in here. On the box it says it gives you extra softness, reduces static and reduces creases as well. So I didn't realise tumble dryer sheets did that. I thought it just made your washing nice and fresh. I love putting these in the tumble dryer, and I love the scent it gives off when the tumble dryer is on. It just makes the whole house smell so nice. And these were $1.99. So next up I picked up these tea towels. These are the microfiber tea towels, but the reason I picked these up because I love the colours. I absolutely love the colours. It's really, really hard to get hold of grey and white tea towels. I saw these and I thought I'm picking these up. The only thing is they are microfiber, so I'm not sure how good they're going to be at drying your dishes. But I'm going to try them out. I love the look of them. They were £2. You get 4 in a pack. So you've got this one here, which is like a chevron design. Then they've got like a blush pink colour with the chevron design. Then you've just got 2 plain grey ones. But yeah, I really like the colour of this. I've got loads of grey in my kitchen anyway. These would just look really, really good. And I just thought for £2, how good is that for 4 tea towels? That is so, so good. So that was all the cleaning bits I picked up. I'm now on to all the organisation stuff, which I am so excited about. So in B&M at the minute, they had so much storage stuff. So if you guys are looking to organise your house, honestly, get down to B&M because they're so inexpensive as well. I picked up these white storage boxes. They're quite long, but they're quite narrow as well. And I thought maybe these would be really good to go in my makeup drawer, which is down here. Just to get it a bit more organised so it's not rolling about too much. I have actually got some Perspex organisers in this drawer. However, I just find they're too wide, and every time I open the drawer, they're sort of rolling around. So I wanted something a bit more compact. And I found these, picked up 2 of them because they were only £1.50 each. And also I can put my little labels on the front of them as well, which is why I picked up white, because my labels are grey. Might not use them in there, might use them for something else around the house, but I just thought, yeah, why not get them? They're £1.50, you just can't go wrong with that. £1.50 each, and I picked up 2 of those. So I picked up this one as well. This one was £2.50. Obviously it's a bit bigger than those ones. And I don't know, I think I might use this for my kitchen cupboards downstairs, maybe to put canned food or something like that in. But again, I picked it up in white so I can label the front of it. And for £2.50 I thought that was really, really good. Again, more storage boxes. These are just a little bit smaller, but they're also a little bit deeper. and I'm not sure again what I'm going to be using these for, but I just want to get organised in my house. I'm going to be doing a kitchen organised with me, so I'm going to be doing that video really shortly. These were only £2 and I just think they're so good. I picked up 2 of those, again in white, so I can label them with my grey labels. They're actually quite sturdy. I like the fact that they've got handles on them as well, so when you're pulling them out of the cupboard, you just got to grab the handle and pull them out. So easy. I have been looking for one of these for so long. So basically on my sink downstairs, my cloths and my dishmatic and everything just sits laying on the sink. I don't like the way it looks. I want to get more organised, make it look a bit more tidier. And I found this, which is a sink caddy, and it says organises brushes, sponges, soap dispensers, and all of that. It says it's got a removable drip tray for easy cleaning, and it just looks like this. How cute is that? The only thing is it's silver, and a lot of stuff in my kitchen is rose gold, but you know, it's still going to go, it's still going to look nice. This was £2.99, and if you have a look on the picture there, it just shows a picture of everything that's in the little caddy. But I just thought this was really good. It also has a little plastic tray at the bottom of it, so it's so easy to just take this out and clean it. Cannot wait to get this on my sink, so now my sink is going to look so much tidier. Pick this dish strainer up. So basically in my kitchen I had all the dishes all piled on top of the draining board, and they slid and all fell into the sink on top of those glasses, and 2 glasses smashed. So I needed this, guys. I really needed this. I picked up a white one. Now, if you've been on my channel for quite a while, you'll know that I've always got the rose gold metal ones. But to be fair, I bought so many of them now, and they do go rusty, and yeah, I just had enough of them. I just thought this would be so much easier to clean, and now I have somewhere to put my plates, my cups, and also what I liked about these, it's got the little holes here to put your knife and forks and your spoons. And with my metal one, it didn't have that, so I was just basically laying them down on the draining board. So yeah, really like this. It was £2.50, so cheap and cheerful. And yeah, I'm going to now put this on my draining board and have no more accidents in the kitchen, hopefully. So I've been doing up my bathroom recently, and I found this little soak sign. How beautiful is that? I just thought it was so stunning, and it was only £3. I thought that was so good for £3. It's so pretty. So it just says soak, and then it's got these diamantes all over it. And I'm probably going to put this on my windowsill. I've actually got one that says calm in white, but I just really like this. I mean, it might be tacky to some people, but I really liked it. I thought it was really nice, and it was only £3, so I thought that was really good. So like I said, I'm going to be organising my kitchen cupboards and all stuff like that in the house, and I found these little glass mason jars. These were only £1, but I just thought they were so cute. They're just little mason jars. I actually tried to get some of these out of the pound shop, but I couldn't get hold of them. They're so popular, they just went straight away. The ones in the pound shop actually had like a little cork lid, but I like these ones. I like the fact that the simplicity of them. I like the fact that they're clear, so I can just see what's in them. Also, I'm going to be labelling them as well. I picked up 2 of those, but what drew me to these was the rose gold detail it has on it, and like I said, in my kitchen I have a lot of rose gold. I'm not actually sure what I'm going to put in them yet because they're actually quite small, but I'm sure I'll find something. So I also picked up a couple of these medium-sized ones. These were only £1.99. Again, storage jars. I didn't show you with the small ones, but these are also airtight containers, so they're going to keep all your food really fresh. But they've just got like a rubber tight lid on the top, and then they've got this little clip where you clip it down, and oh, that's really tight. That's really tight, so it's definitely going to keep your food nice and fresh. With these ones, I'm going to use these ones for like my baking stuff, like flour and sugar and stuff like that. So yeah, I thought these are coming really handy, and they obviously look really nice and sleek in the cupboard and organised. I thought £1.99 was really good. I actually looked on Amazon because I was going to buy some of these off Amazon before I went to B&M, and they were actually a lot more expensive than this, so I was really glad I found these. I'm probably going to be going back to get some more because they're just so good. This is the last item I picked up. This is just a massive glass canister. It was £3, and I am going to be using this for my spaghetti. Again, it's just going to look so tidy in the cupboard, and I've got actually quite tall cupboards, so this is going to fit really well in there. And also I have my labels from Poundland, and one of those says spaghetti, so I can't wait to put spaghetti in this now and see what it looks like. How weird is that? I am excited about a spaghetti canister. Really, Tracy? But yeah, this was only £3. Honestly, if you are looking for storage stuff, B&M have loads of stuff, honestly, and it's so inexpensive. That was everything that I picked up today. Don't forget, if you liked my video today, please smash that thumbs up button for me. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already by hitting that little red button down below. Also hit the notification bell, because that will tell you when I next upload. My uploads are going to be every Wednesday and every Friday, and I will see you all for my next video, guys. Love you all. Bye. Mwah.